Make a great choice today with the 2023 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front license plate bracket, rear wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season, LED headlights, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.